Question 6. Yeah, here also that you have several places variable like m and m minus 1. So uh, the additional thing here is like you have given this uh, in nominator the number is uh, you can take as a group. So is a group. So uh, now if I have to rearrange this m minus 2 divided by 3, you can move on the left side. So you can write like this: m minus m minus 1 divided by 2, and this is the from the right side. If you move on the left side, it becomes plus sign. Right now we are keeping is a group, so divide by 3. And so now only thing left on the right side is the number 1. So the additional part is rather than having a one variable, you have a variable with an integer number. So now you have to treat as a one number that group. So if you now you put m is, you can say m underscore 1. Now the common denominator of all these three numbers become 6. So 6 divided by 1 becomes 6 here, and you multiply by with m, so it becomes 6m. And then 6 divided by 2, then it becomes 3, and 3 you have to multiply with the whole group. So right now we can put 3 and in bracket m minus 1. And this 3 in this third number, this 3, 6 divided by 3 becomes 2. And 2 you have to multiply with top number, and here is the plus sign. So plus 2 in bracket 2 minus m minus 2. So see, this is the one step further, that rather than just one variable, you have a variable with some number. But the other steps are just like before. So now we can move this 6 on the other side. So 6 is the bottom here, goes on the top. So we can write 6m, and now we learned this thing how to multiply one number with in group in the uh, in the first chapter that we have to use. So 3 multiply this 3 you have to multiply with both numbers. So 3 multiplied by m is minus 3, and minus 3 and minus 1, if you multiply by that one, it becomes plus 3. See, this is the thing, how to negative number to multiply, and uh, how to use that property we learned in the first chapter. That's important here. So then again, this 2 you multiply by with m, this becomes 2m, and 2 if you multiply with minus 2, it becomes minus 4. And this 6 if I take on other side, it goes on the top. So one here it was in the denominator, other side it will go numerator. Now we have a simplify. So 6m minus 3m plus 2m. So if you combine all these things, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5m. 5m plus minus 4 and plus 3 becomes minus 1. And on the right side, 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. So again, now we can move minus 1 on the other side. It becomes 5m equal to 6 plus 1. So I'm just using that place here. So now it becomes 5m becomes 7. And again 5 we have to take on other side. So m becomes 7 divided by 5. So this is the answer. Like I said, that each problem has a little bit more step to use, and whatever we learn in the first chapter, the property, we have to use here, and how to find the common denominator, that you learn in previous years. So you have to use that one.